Welcome to a quick dive into Engonus, your all-in-one solution combining ERP, APP, and Iiot. Today, we're exploring the versatile function of discount coupon creation. Discount coupons are an effective tool for marketing campaigns or promotions. They're unique codes that, once given to a customer, unlock a specific discount. On your left side menu, under Sales, you'll find Discount Coupons. Clicking this reveals a comprehensive list of issued coupons, their status, date, quantity, and more. To create a new discount coupon, look towards the upper left. Clicking this opens a pop-up window where you enter the coupon details. Remember, each coupon needs a unique code, either auto-generated or manually created. You can set the discount by amount or percentage, determine its validity date, and decide how many coupons to circulate. Once created, your new coupon appears in the main view, ready for editing or deletion as needed. The view also allows for exporting reports in various formats. Engonus, your comprehensive solution for business management and beyond.